What's up mga kalagray? Welcome back to our channel.
Good day mga kalagarahe! New day, new build. Before we start our video, we'd like to thank our sponsor, Macho Mucho. Check them out guys for great haircuts. So, sorry, nagkakap ako no kasi fresh from Ligo tayo. So, ayun. Then, promote natin ulit yung version 4 na Lagarahe riding jersey natin. Still available pa rin. Few stocks left. And if you want to grab one, PM na po kayo sa Facebook page natin. Before we start off, explain ko lang muna kung ano nangyari dito sa bike na to. So, this bike, tayo na nag-provide ng base bike ni client. So, bumili tayo ng brand new Keyway 152 Cafe Racer. And may parang inspiration si sir na gusto na niyang ipagaya sa atin, like ang color scheme and like look. So this build was based off on his Honda CB 550. So it's a Brat Cafe build. And then from then on, sabi niya lang kami na daw bahala. Shout out Sir Jafar for letting us custom your dream bike. So this is your Brat Cafe now. So yeah, let's get right straight into it kung ano mga ginawa natin. Start tayo sa harap mga kalagarahe. So this headlight is still stuck. Stuck pa rin siya, no? But yung internals niya, pinalitan natin ng mas magandang LED. Kasi yan yung issue ng Keyway. Medyo not quality yung bulb. And then dito sa signal light, pinalitan na natin ng mini turn signal light. Ayan, as you can see. And then, for the fender, custom handmade fender. Made of aluminum, of course, and powder coated. Same sa rear. So, that's our tire hugger. And then dito sa itaas, we cleaned out this part. And then we replaced the speedometer into digital speedometer. Ayan, and clip-on handlebar, and our grips, and our favorite na bar and side mirror. Ayan. And dito sa tank part, pinalitan na po natin itong mga kalagarahe. Okay, para mas makuha yung gusto ipagaya ni sir sa atin na concept. Ayan. Dito sa seat, custom, hand-stitched, handmade, fully custom na seat. Hindi po yan binili mga kalagarahe. We custom made that one. And sa taillight, embedded LED strip ang pinalagay ni sir. Ayan. Sa engine, stock pa din kasi the stock looks good. Then sa pipe, thermal wrap, and bullet pipe version 2. Yung susian naman niya mga kalagarahe andito na sa giliran. So, nilipat natin dito. Swing arm, extended, 3 inches. So, sa mga nagtatanong, stock pa din yung rear shocks niya. And then sa tires, stock pa rin yung rims but we converted it into tubeless. And we installed 4.0 Red Indian Sawtooth tires. So, Red Indian is the brand. The name of the tire is Sawtooth. So that's a Sawtooth. And it's for vintage bikes. So it's an old technology. Dati pa. Like the original ata nito is yung Continental and Firestone as far as I can remember. So yan yung request ni sir. And then dito sa part na to medyo special. Gusto niya naked para neat. So, this is the battery box. So, andyan yung wirings niya. And then, the battery itself. Yan. And then, naka-wire tack na. So, malinis na. So, we put mushroom filter for the carburetor. Kasi nga, wala na yung filter box. Para naked yung part na to. And minimalist. Para din sa footrest, ang ginawa natin, kinuha natin yung triangular bracket niya dito. Kasi it looks sophisticated na. Ang dami ng parang sat-sat, ang daming brackets and anything like that. So we replaced it and put it here sa swing arm, just like the TMXs. Alright? And dito naman, we installed shifter. Same pa rin, naka-drum brake, but naka-shifter na siya. Ayan. So, this is a Racing Boy. We did not attach the wing of the Racing Boy here kasi para babagay sa itsura niya na super classic. So, we did not install it. So, it's just like that. And then, there's nothing much into it, but we try to achieve na magiging simple, minimalist, yet super attractive siya tignan. So, ayan. A little walkthrough lang mga kalagarahe. Ayan. And then logo natin dito sa tank. So, this one was top coated. So, hindi nyo ito matatanggal ang sticker. Ito. Hindi na yan matatanggal. Yeah. Minimalist lang, simple, yet elegant. So, ayun mga kalagarahe. I hope you like our new custom built na Keyway 152 Brat Cafe. So, yeah, the sophistication and the minimalism put into one. So, that's what we have been trying to achieve ever since. So, this is our build. Hope you like it. And please watch our other videos for more badass builds. So, yun mga kalagay. Peace out!